Hello everyone, welcome back to another review video. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing the towel and blanket warmer. So let's go ahead and unbox it. We don't need this. Well, hello there. This is what it looks like. Now it is very large, so you can put in quite a few different ones. Pretty simple. It is a 3-prong outlet, so it is grounded. Plug it in, press the button to start it, and that's it. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in here. Looks like if you want your towels to smell like lavender, give it a little lavender packet. Make sure to remove everything from the inside. So it turns red when you press the button to turn it on. It may change green, I'm not sure. I'm sure it probably does change to either green or blue when it's ready. It lets you know. You can already feel the heat. Okay, we've had it on for a while. I've been opening it, so it did change color. But now let's go ahead and take this out. Oh my goodness, it is nice and warm. Wow, that is awesome. Oh, it feels so warm. Oh. Perfect on a cold day, or if you have a hot tub and you want a towel. It feels like if your mother has ever pulled out a cover from the dryer. Oh, look at her. Even our dog is like, this is so warm, me will lay my head on your cover. Oh, look at her. She's like, yes. And not the skirry dum 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 yish 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 yish. My friends, it's Emma approved, so therefore it's Scooty approved.